We're here at CONEXPO, the largest construction trade show in North America. I'm Janine Larson with RDO Equipment Company, joined today with Ken Hugan, the General Manager of Vermeer Sales at RDO. Welcome.
Thank you.
How would you describe the growth in renewable energy?
The growth in renewable energy in the United States is really exciting. Last year, the IRA was passed with bipartisan support, and the funding is in place for a tremendous amount of renewable. And there's no question that North America has a huge growth potential in terms of reducing carbon footprint. We also have a huge opportunity in front of us with electrification. So putting power lines underground, along with all of the renewable energy that's required to power the future in electric cars. Finally, I would say back to the IRA, the amount of money and the funding that's in place is in place for it. So no question that everybody's question in the United States or North America is, are we coming into a recession? And a lot of the industry experts feel that even if we do fall into some sort of a recession, that the renewable side will probably be relatively safe since funding is there.
What are some of the biggest needs among customers who are working with renewable energy?
I think the biggest need for the customers that do renewable is this is such a big scale business that their number one need is service and support. So you're seeing fleets of machines that are going out for solar sites that might have anywhere from 15 to 25 pile drivers on it. They could have 2 or 3 big track trenchers to put in the underground utilities. And probably number one is about having on-site resident technicians, on-site parts, so that if there's a failure with the machine, it's not down. The analogy I put together with solar is the pile drivers that we sell are like the locomotive of a train. That's the first thing that goes down the track. And if the locomotive fails, everything behind it is slowed down.
So what advances in equipment technology are there to help with the installation?
Oh, great question. The advancement with technology now is as exciting as it's ever been. I started with Vermeer in 1984. The next 10 years, I'll probably see 10 times as much technology advancement in the industry. We started a number of years ago with the Carlson PD grade control system that we mount on the pile drivers. It gives you an XY coordinate for where to put it, and then it stops at Z, which is the top of the height of the pile. Z's always been very difficult, but with some new advancements, we've enhanced that considerably. So I think we're releasing Z enhancement at this show. Vermeer's going further with it, where they have row-to-row technology. The machine right now can walk to the next position and drive the steel where it's supposed to be. Now they can actually walk to the end of the row and turn around 180 degrees and come back this direction. There's a lot of other exciting things that Vermeer's developing alongside with Carlson and our integrated control division, but stay tuned because there's going to be some really exciting stuff in the next 12 months.
And now when you talk about support, how has RDO helped with support when you were saying that's one of the things that customers need?
Yeah, we have such a team approach. RDO equipment is RDO equipment, and we do everything as a huge team. So we'll bring the John Deere partnership in, we'll bring the RDO integrated control, we bring the Vermeer folks in, we bring our aftermarket people in, which includes an aftermarket manager, lead technicians, and parts people. So prior to some of these larger scale sites, and I would say somewhere in the 75 megawatts or bigger solar site, which is hundreds of acres, and we've built some sites that are thousands of acres. We bring those people in months before the project, and we coordinate, what are you going to need? What do you need for technicians? What machines are you going to have on site? We do a regular maintenance schedule, we do regular inspections, and we strive to try to manage the fleet that's on site. If you're within a RDO AOR, and you end up in another area, say in a Florida or Texas or South Carolina, we coordinate with the local Vermeer dealer and help lead that relationship so that when you go there, you'll have the support that you need. It's really had a great impact on that market.
Thanks for joining us, Ken. Great insight today. So stay connected with RDO as we keep you up to date here at CONEXPO on the latest equipment and technology to help keep you and your business up and running. Visit rdoequipment.com for more information.